that will be existing on the page already, something like this. What this is telling me is that read this JSP files from my server and I want to sign this PDF file. That's what it is doing. When we hit this URL, then what will happen is uh, a runtime JNP file will be created and will be downloaded at the user machine. So this is the JNLP file in my downloads folder. So if I go to my downloads folder, it's here. And many cases it should just like run by itself. So this message came up because, as I mentioned the other day, we have to sign our jar file using a code signing certificate. Since it is not signed by the code signing certificate, that's why we are getting this error. This error will not come when this application gets signed by a valid CA code signing certificate. So just to move around this problem, we explicitly say open with Java Web Start and just click open. So now Java 7 comes up. It starts downloading the jar from the server. We see this message again because our jar is not signed by the valid certificate. It's signed by a self-created self-signed certificate. That's why. So click this, click run. So this you see over here, this as of now, this is the application. It is showing me there are two certificates that is available for me to sign from my local cert store, and I can sign the PDF. The name of the PDF was in that URL that was already provided in the first place. So I just click on the sign PDF. It has signed it and it has saved that file, the signed PDF file, inside my temp folder. I will just copy this to a different location so we can uh, take a look at it. Okay. So now if I go back to this folder, so I just copied this over here. So this is the file that is generated, that is signed by our application. If I open this, so here's the signature. Now suppose we want to put one more signature on it. So what we have to do is just close this, close the app, uh, go back to the browser, and then let's again hit the URL. And this time let's say the file name is, this is the name of the file that is already signed the first time. Okay, so this is due to case sensitive. So we just got new JNLP dynamically created. I go back to download folder. So this is the one. Come here. I'll just click with web start Java 7. It starts downloading the application. I accept the risk. Click continue. I say sign this using this certificate. Click sign PDF. I just copy this from my temp folder to a folder where I can read. Just go back to here, my directory where I copied over here. This is the file. I open this. It has two signatures in it. The first was initial. This is the second one. And same way we can sign once again with a third signature as well. And these are the signature. It is showing error because it's self-signed certificate. That's why it's showing me this error. So anyways, so we are running this with Java 7 right now. As of right now, Java 9 is in production, and Java 9 does not allow, or even 8 does not allow to run the JNLP file with self-signed certificates. So we need a developer, we need a code signer certificate to for make sure that our users won't get any error. And I can just show you system preferences. This when I install Java. So you see over here the security is set to bare minimum, and I've set my local host where I'm hosting the jar file to exception list. So this is how it is allowing us to run. So it's a brief demo of what is in store as of now.